My busy daddy cooks.
This is Daddy, and today we are making Salmon Teriyaki. You need only two main ingredients, salmon and teriyaki sauce. I'll show you how to make the teriyaki sauce here, or you can use the teriyaki sauce from my other video. I'll leave the link to the video below. To prepare the salmon, run your fingers through the fillet and feel if there are any bones. Cut the fillet into serving sizes. Prepare the teriyaki sauce. Grate or finely chop a clove of garlic and ginger of about the same size. Over medium-high heat, pan fry the 2 pieces of salmon for about 2 minutes. Remove the salmon and the excess oil. Spoon in the teriyaki sauce and baste the fillet until the sauce thickens. Quick and easy salmon teriyaki.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.